Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Karbon 3-shelf cupboard. Features. Stylish and functional, Karbon office cupboards offer value without compromise. This classic modular cupboard design complements any office environment or workplace. The 25mm thick melamine tops are wiped clean for easy maintenance. The top and base are edged with an impact-resistant material to help protect against the trials of daily use. Each shelf will accept either 14 A4 files or 10 lever arch files to keep paperwork organised. This cupboard is supplied with 2 height-adjustable shelves, which are easily adjusted as your storage requirements change. The shelves are adjustable in 40mm increments. The Karbon cupboard is supplied with soft close hinges for a quieter close. The double doors are lockable. The left-hand door uses a spring-loaded inner lock, which can be used individually or in conjunction with the main key lock. 2 keys are supplied. The doors are supplied with stylish curved handles in silver finish. Karbon office cupboards are available in a selection of heights and can be used alongside other Karbon office furniture for a complete modular system. These cupboards are available in beach effect and white colour finishes. Karbon cupboards are manufactured to EN 14073 2 and 3 standards and are suitable for commercial use. Karbon office furniture comes with a 1-year manufacturer's guarantee and is available from stock. It's delivered flat packed on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace. At Equipped for Work, we understand that every space is different and everyone's needs are unique. Our free space planning service can help you to make the most of your available space. Our in-house design team will help outline your requirements and visualise in 3D what the finished design will look like in your choice of colour finish. Contact us to discuss your requirements on 0800 298 3555 or email sales@equippedforwork.co.uk.